Wake up with fuller hair for the rest of your life by enhancing what you already have. Imagine that. Now here's what I mean by enhancement. Enhancement means use your existing hair and just blend hair in between your existing hair. When you blend additional hair in between your existing hair, you're using all your hair and you're merely just enhancing your existing hair. What that also means, you're also just enhancing your natural beauty. Bring out your natural beauty. Bring out your natural personality by enhancing your hair. And when you enhance your hair to make it fuller, it's going to not only enhance your hair, it's going to enhance your natural beauty and your natural personality. We all know that when your hair is fine or thinning or balding, that it makes you hold back, that it depresses you, that it's embarrassing. No more. There's a way to use your existing hair, just add more in between it and enhance it. And by enhancing your existing hair, you're enhancing your natural beauty and your natural personality. Here's how it's done. Microstrand invention. This is a translucent filament made into sort of like a web that upon contact of the skin or scalp, it disappears. Then we use a microscopic tip apparatus that feeds only one human hair at a time onto this translucent microstrand.
Using this highly advanced microscopic tip apparatus, one human hair at a time is then fed individually onto these microstrands, painstakingly one fine human hair at a time. This step actually duplicates real hair growth. Now the finished microstrands are blended in between your existing hairs.
Why one hair at a time? Because that's the exact way it grows out of the human scalp. Therefore, if we add one human hair at a time onto this, we are replicating the same way hair grows out of the scalp. Here's an example of the finished product. This is the same microstrand after one human hair at a time has been fed onto it. Notice that you see right through this. So now it's logical that when this is blended between your own hair, you're not going to see it, you're not going to feel it, and your hair is just going to be enhanced. And it's going to enhance your beauty and your personality. And the other important element of this is it's full-time hair. You're going to wake up every morning with fuller hair. It's that simple. You're going to go to sleep every night with fuller hair. You're going to swim with fuller hair. You're going to shampoo with fuller hair. That will change your life because you're going to forget about it. You don't want to remember or think about your thinning hair or hide from your thinning hair. You want to just enjoy life with fuller hair through the day. No more combing your hair back a certain way to hide your thinness. No more putting a hair topper on only when you're going out, or having hair extensions or feeding hair in part-time. Now, full-time, fuller hair. You're going to enjoy the beauty of enhancement, but full-time. Thank you.